Hey everyone, I'm Julian.
And I'm Piera.
And welcome to Evite's YouTube channel. We release new videos every Tuesday and Thursday, DIYs, recipes, how-tos, and some originals from our video and marketing team here in Los Angeles.
And if you're interested in following us elsewhere, you can follow us at Evite on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, Spotify.
Some cool stuff. Feel free to subscribe, let your friends know, and there's a huge comment section below this video. Leave a comment, ask us some questions. Are there some videos that you don't see on our channel that you would like to? Are there any questions about any parties or get-togethers coming up that you have that you would like answers to? We're here for you, so just go ahead and leave a comment. No question is too small or big for us.
Right.